Hello, Jim here, Forage Box TV. I'm currently in Sweden with my friend Stuart. Say hello, Stuart.
Hello, Stuart.
There we go. I can't tell you exactly where we are because we are foraging for some interesting bits and bobs. Yeah, it's just nice to be in a different country where there's loads of woods. Got my basket, got my very reliable tour guide, and we're going to go on the hunt for some slightly, well, mushrooms that are rare in the UK but quite interesting, quite interestingly common over here. All will be revealed, so see you shortly.
Yeah, not very much actually.
Stump puffballs doing their stumpy puffball thing. Try to inhale. Cool. Look at these. Oh, right in there. Huh. Oh man, that's so cool. Not bad, eh? So this, all this destruction, all this digging, this is wild boar. You'll see that happening there, and not really in the habitat for it, but we found lots of bay bolete, delicious bolete mushrooms. We're now looking for something a bit more specific, and given that I don't know if we're going to find any, I'm keeping it to myself, but apparently people have found lion's mane in these woods, which in the UK is very rare. Coral tooth fungus, which would be an exciting one, but I think we've checked a few logs and not really much else in there. But it's amazing, things like hen of the woods, my favourite mushroom, that is red listed here, so you just don't find any. And in these woods, we're not allowed to pick anything that's growing on wood. So we found oyster mushrooms and, well, mainly oyster mushrooms actually, that'd be exciting, but things like stump puffballs, all these sorts of things, I'm just not allowed to touch them. Because that's the control of this specific set of woods. Now we've come to a log here, and you can see there's a few bits growing on there. For example, the ganoderma down here, they're growing irregularly, and all this stuff hanging on the end there. That's quite interesting, scaly caps and stuff. Not allowed to touch them. There you go, how about that? But what we're going to do is look around all the logs and see what we can find growing on the floor. There's one mushroom that Stuart, he's very excited about. And it'd be quite nice to find some, but I'd like to find it live on camera, because that's the important thing, right? If it's not on camera, it didn't happen. But given that Sweden is mostly woodland, how about this, guys? Like, here we are, woods, there's a lake, and it just goes on. Obviously beech woods occur in Britain as well, but beech woods and conifer plantations and all sorts just cover this entire country, and it's great for mushrooms. So I'm going to continue the hunt, probably with one arty shot, because it's a bit embarrassing. I feel like a bit of a wally holding a camera in front of someone who doesn't do a lot of filming and camera stuff. Oh, you meant to walk away naturally. I did. Well, it was just pretty. So we finally managed to get them. Voluminous milk caps. These taste like, what did we say? Lobster?
Lobster crab.
Lobster and crab. And we've been spending 3 days sort of looking for these at some point. And we found them just now. How about that?
These are tiny, by the way. They go to about this sort of size.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay. Let's just have a... Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah, look at it go. Go that side. That's so cool, look how much there is.
I've never seen anything milky like these. These are voluminous. There's no doubt that is voluminous.
Look at it come out. Hang on, I've lost my thing. There we go. Give it a little nudge, it'll start dribbling. Oh, there we go. Well, there we go. Stuart's got very excited about that, which is great. We had them for tea last night, but they were from his freezer, and we sort of went looking for them the whole time. We made a lobster sauce, but not made with lobster, we made with those mushrooms instead. It was great. And my train is in maybe an hour's time, so it's quite nice to have found these things. I think there's a deformed sept down there as well. There's just mushrooms everywhere. Sweden's great. Where's he hiding? You can see he's desperately looking for more, the man through there. Yeah, I mean, look at the woods we're in. Cool, right? And we found another one. Look at them! Oh my lord, there have been loads. That's amazing.
Again, not an uncommon mushroom, it's uncommon to have the beach.
Look at this. So this is called a coral tooth fungus. Look at that. Sorry, got my camera out. So red listed for the habitat rather than the actual mushroom. But look at that. I'm deliberately not going to take any, of course, but oh, it's beautiful. Ha! There we go, 2 in 1. How about that for a nice video closer? We found voluminous milk caps, which are our lobstery ones, and then coral tooth fungus as well, which is a completely new one on me. Yeah, a nice super rare mushroom, and that's why, well, not the only reason I've come over here, but the habitats that we've got here. I mean, I think someone's having a fireworks display, sorry about that, but the habitats we've got to explore, it must be 90% woodland, the country. It's amazing. Yeah, kind of beats just going foraging in my local park, I guess, although there's some merit in that. Cool, I think that's probably it. It was a short video, I think, this time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go and check out the other videos. There's some other stuff that's a bit more sort of camping based and a bit more cookery things rather than just exploring. And I've got lots more videos planned for this autumn because I've been busy, so it's very difficult to kind of make that happen. Otherwise, thank you very much. See you later, guys.